Howdy y'all. Today I'm going to be looking at this foot pedal switch that I use for my scroll saw. It's an old, it's a Swingline. And I don't know if it's for a staple thing or a sewing machine. But anyway, it says for use with models 66P and 15E series. Whatever that means. So this is catalog number 32-161. So you can see here, what you do is you plug in your tool to this end, then you plug it in to the socket. That gives you switch control. Well, what's happening is my switch is sticking. You hear that? It doesn't come back. See? No click. So what we're going to do is take it apart and see what's going on. Why is the switch sticking? Is it dirty? We need to change it out. So let's take out these side screws. Hope the spring isn't too difficult to get back in. We'll get it. Okay. Alright, I'm glad to see that it's an old switch. There's the spring, that ain't so bad. Let's not lose that. So it looks like maybe the contacts are a little dirty. So what I'm going to do is get a small piece of sandpaper. And I'm going to hit it with that. Got a small piece of sandpaper here. Looks like our contact of interest is this one right there. It's a little black under there. I got a small file that would fit in there. It's really thin. Doesn't look like I could take it apart. Well, alright, let me try sandpaper. Double it up. Basically, we're just cleaning the contact off so it stops sticking. You can see it in there. See it right here? That should do it. That's a simple fix. So let's put it back together. Interesting little setup. Let's make sure we get our spring lined up. Sounding better already. Let's hold this together. Put the screw back in. Let's get the other side. see how that goes. Seems like it's working much better this time. Anyway, that was an easy fix. Thanks for watching. Leave us a thumbs up if it helped. And subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.